Hi, this is Asing. You are now watching Asing SL TV. Today we'd like to share how to create a text translator in Excel. Without further ado, let's get started. Go to the Developer tab and click on Visual Basic. Insert a module and create a user defi function. Use the function statement and give it a name. Let's say translate. We need 3 variables that can be any letters or words if they are not already in use. Let's say my text to store the text that the user provides, from length for the original language to length for the target language. Since there is no built-in function to translate text in Excel, I'm going to use Google Translate for assistance. Open a browser and search Google Translate. We should notice 2 links that allows us to use the Google Translate service. Use the second link instead of the first. Please allow me to click on both links to explain the reason. Simply type a word and translate. Then highlight and select the translation. Right click and choose Inspect. Repeat the same step for the other page. We should notice the script on the left page is much shorter as compared to the script on the right page. This is because the left page has fewer elements. Therefore, if you write the code based on this script, it will be much simpler than the other script. Now let's write the code. Copy the URL and go back to Visual Basic. Create a variable, say link, and make it equal to the URL. Remember to enclose the URL within a set of quotation marks. Notice that I translated the text from English to Chinese with language codes EN and ZHTW respectively. However, when creating the translation function, the languages should not be fixed. Therefore, let's replace those language codes using different constants. I would like to use from with brackets for the original language, while to with brackets for the target language. Don't forget to delete the text. Then create a variable, say full URL, to join the link with the text using worksheet function, that is encode URL. Put the text here, that is my text. Next, update full URL by replacing the constant. Firstly, replace the constant representing the original language with the respective variable, that is from length. Next, replace the constant representing the target language using toLength. Since I'm referring to this script when extracting the translation, let's create a variable, say elements, with the worksheet function web service to record the script associated with the URL. However, there are many characters in this script. To ensure that the translation is extracted correctly, we need an indicator. Create a variable, say division. Then right-click the line with the translation. Select copy and copy the element. Back to Visual Basic, paste it within a set of quotation marks. Delete those strings starting from the translation. To use quotation marks within string expressions, we need double quotation marks. Next, determine the position where the extraction should start. Create a variable, say L1. Use the inString function to check through the script, that is the elements, and we look for the division. With this statement, we can start at this point. To start at this point, simply add the length of the division. Next, determine the endpoint. Create another variable, say L2. Again, use the inString function But this time we need to specify the starting position, that is here, or more precisely L1. Then read through the elements and use an indicator to determine the endpoint. I would use this string. Lastly, return the translated text using the name defined earlier, that is translate. Make use of the mid function to extract the translation. Always refer to the elements with L1 as the starting position, and the number of characters to be extracted is simply the difference between the ending position and the starting position. And the coding part is now done. Let's go back to the spreadsheet to see the result. Type equal and followed by translate to use the function. Press Ctrl+Shift+A to see all the arguments. Replace them by selecting the respective cells. We have the text, the original language, and the target language. Press enter and we should obtain the correct translation as we can see here. Okay, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this. See you.